Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Hi, welcome to another video about how to get discount, cashback or promo code during shopping. So let's start with the video. Open Play Store on your mobile. Search Ebates. Install this app. Let's read more about this app. It gives cashback, promo codes, discount deals, saving, earn up to 25% cashback from 2500 stores. The best thing is its editor choice app, 1 million downloads and 4.5 rating. App is installed, open it. It will give $10 bonus on sign up, but escape for now. Here you will see 12% cashback on shop, 10% cashback. So these are some of the cashbacks. Now see the hot deals. These are the feature deals. See up to $75 discount, 10% cashback from sales and clearance. Here you can enable location to see cashback on stores near you. So it's a great app that can help you to get discount, cashback and promo codes. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.